Ready. What day is it?
4th of July!
Oh, my finger's at the camera. Happy 4th of July. I'm at the dock right now with Addie's work. We have a bunch of things planned for today. We're gonna go to the parade, right? Mm-hmm. We're gonna harass Ashton. We're gonna take her nephews to the parade. Then we're gonna do some stuff with her family. We might be able to swim some at my house.
Okay, bet.
Might swim in my house, and then later tonight, we've got a lot of fireworks, and I am definitely making her shoot some. So, we'll bring you along for the ride. Yes, Addie, do your job. Woo! Did you like my motivational speech?
Yeah.
Addie, it's parade time. Parade time. Addie, did you decide to match me today? Why are you copying my look?
Are you parking by me or are you parking down there?
Why are you copying my look? Why are you copying me?
Because I'm swaggier than you.
Parade's done. It is hot. I'm sweating so bad. This thing is going to be disgusting. But how's the parade?
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, it was okay. We have a baby fish. Look, it's right there. We have a baby fish.
My.
I don't know, because Jared still looks big, so we're going to do some investigating, and we'll get back to you. Move the baby fish. There's one there, and we found a second one, but they are now in a separate tank. There's a second one right there. Nope, that's not. But there's a second one in here. I just can't see it right now. Moving from this tank, or from this tank, over here. We also have had other fish die. So we're down to 3 over here. But yeah, well, we got baby fish, and we are now going to be heading to my house. I think we're gonna swim maybe some. And we are also going to be shooting fireworks off later. Annie, you want some smoke? Yeah, press down.
I am.
Yeah, press down harder. You're struggling. You can do it. Want some smoke? Hashtag proud. We are now shooting stuff off. We're starting with small stuff, and Ash is gonna try catching the parachute.
Just gotta go slower. I think it's brand new. What the heck?
You can do it.
There we go.
All right, Ashton. You got it. There is a car.
Holy. Oh, where'd he go?
Oh, he went right down. His parachute did not open.
Oh, it didn't open. It malfunctioned. It didn't open.
We're like halfway through. Well, we're a little more than halfway, I think. But we got the biggest stuff to come. Dad, how's the fire? Yeah, it's hot and muggy, and kind of gross. But is that one going off? Oh.
I didn't think it was gonna lift off.
It's hot. He's lighting a big one. Alright, we're down to our last box. Alright. It'll be a grand finale.
That was cool.
And like that, we're done. Oh, so this is what we had. We kind of missed filming it, but there is debris everywhere. We got to clean up now. And Ashton is hosing it down. I need interviews. How out of a score of 10, how was the show?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, Mom?
Sure.
Sure? What about you?
I'm saying 10.
Nice. All right, that's all the fireworks we have. Peace.